Bullish by 2030, the price of Solana is expected to be between $94.57 and $178.63. Experts in the market agree that Sol could get to 73.55 by 2025. Bearish, the price on the market is expected to be €16.81 in 2023. The Solana stage was made by Anatoly Yakovenko in 2017. Before starting Solana, he worked for Qualcomm. Because he was a programmer at Dropbox, he has a lot of knowledge about pressure strategies. Together with Eric Williams and Greg Fitzgerald, the CTOs of Solana, he came up with an original way to solve long-standing throughput problems in the blockchains of Bitcoin and Ethereum. They wanted to make a distributed trustless convention that would give people more freedom. The main group is now supported by companies around the world, such as Intel, Apple, Qualcomm, Twitter, and Dropbox, Google, Microsoft, and other companies. How many are there? There are a number of financial backers, such as Multicoin Capital, Conceptual Endeavors Company, Capital 110 Global, Slow Capital, and others have now thought about Solana's effects. If you are interested in investing in Solana, here is some information that could help you. What is Solana? General Society Open Source Blockchain. Lana also supports non-fungible coins and a number of decentralized apps. The Sol token on Solana's blockchain acts as a method of wealth transfer and organization security through marketing with current Solana board member and boss activities. Official Raj Gokul Anatoly Yakovenko started Solana in 2017. Yakovenko, the current head of Solana Lab, has experience with framework design and is looking to apply his knowledge and skills to a different blockchain worldview. This made it easier to handle Solana's technical research in general when Sol hit a slump. The setting on the exchange was bullish in the short run, and the cost-crushed spirit has gone down over time, but it is expected to rise again. The coin's price has been going down for a long time. The MACD line stays above the MACD signal line, and the RSI is usually under 50. The rising up pointer shows that the volume on days when the price goes up is higher than the volume on days when the price goes down. Supply Solana Principal Test. Solana's white paper describes the coin as a modern blockchain design based on proof of history accepted for confirming the orderly succession and detachment of occasion. PoE is used to add only information structures like records to code the unreliable entry of time. PoE can lower a message above a copied Byzantine shortcoming. When used with an agreement technique like verification of work or verification of stake, a state machine can make sure of something in less than a second. The white paper gives two ways to use the post office's ability to keep time. The combination of PoRep and PoE protects against record copying in terms of time and space. The convention is tested on a 1 Gbps network, and this study shows that 710K transfers per second are possible with the current equipment. Solana is an open-source project that helps another permissionless. The Solana organization, which is based in Geneva, Switzerland, is in charge of the open-source project blockchain. Solana is worth 21.1 cent USD at the moment. So far, Sol has changed 2.38%, and its trading volume is $338,581,312. Solana is currently the 9th most valuable digital currency, with a market capitalization of $8,124,593,388, according to the General Strength Record Moving Weighted Normal Williams Fractal and Moving Normal Union difference. From the above chart, we can figure out how prices will move for Solana to see if it's going to be a good or bad year. Our price expectation gauges use constant Solana market data, and all information is updated live on our website. This lets us give dynamic price forecasts based on how the market is moving right now. Solana Value Expectation 2023. From some points of view, Solana is one of the most surprising cryptocurrencies to rise this year. The Sol price prediction for 2023 predicts a huge rise in the last part of the year, possibly to 31.51. Also, the rise of other digital currencies will be slow, but there shouldn't be any big drops. An average price of $29.41 is high, but it could happen soon if people work together and make progress. Sol is supposed to be worth $25.21 at the very least. Solana value expectation 2024. Of every 2024 Solana Salcast expectation has a lot of room for growth because of the expected announcements of many new organizations and initiatives. We think the price of Sol will soon go above 52.51, but we should wait to see if Sol's overall strength list comes out of the oversold zone before making any bullish bets. Taking into account how unstable the market is, bets say that Sol will trade with a base exchange price of $42.11 and an average exchange price of $46.21 in 2025, assuming that the vertical pattern continues until then. It could go as high as 73.52 because everyone stands to gain if the market goes down. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, Sol should be able to trade for between $67.22 and $63.02. Solana value prediction for 2026. If Solana does a good job of supporting market opinion among fans of digital money, as far as we can tell, the price of a Sol coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. In 2026, Sol will be green. In 2026, the Sol is supposed to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth $94.53, with a starting price of $84.22 and an average price of $88.12. Solana value prediction for 2027. After a lot of gauging and technical research, we think this all cost will reach an average of 109.23 by 2027, with a base price of 105.03 expected by the end of the year. Sol has a highest value of 115.53. Solana value expectation 2028. We expect the average price to stay around $130.23 as long as there is a bullish trend. If Sol manages to break the safe level in 2028, the price could go as high as 136.54. If Sol doesn't get the help he needs by 2028, the price could go as low as $126.03. Solana value prediction for 2029. While Sol is trying to make it easier